Hey guys, did you know that this stick cannot break it? Also, this stick can easily break instead of this pipe. Well, if you don't believe me, watch this. Look, there's a stick and one piece. Ha! Come on, guys, it's good. What do you mean? What are you waiting for? Okay, another stick. Another stick. Like for more or subscribe or something else. Yeah. Like share or something. Yeah. And whatever. And this massive wood. Whoa. I wish I could throw that to the lava, but I could not do that because it's not allowed. It's legal. The police is gonna arrest